Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video once again let's talk about Sponge version 2 project. Sponge version 1 already available inside some exchanges. You can purchase Sponge version 1, you can stack it in order to get Sponge version 2 for free. So this is the last chance to buy Sponge version 2 before exchange listing because a big exchange listing is coming soon. We will check some good things. I can say some latest update about this project. If you're just interested to purchase the presale project, if you're interested to get any token for free, so make sure watch this video. And now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about presale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about ICE network, Pi network, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Okay guys, welcome to Sponge version 2. Sponge version 2 launching is coming because this is the last chance to purchase Sponge version 2 before exchange listing. So you can purchase this project as the link is below in the description. Make sure click on the link, connect your wallet, and then make sure you have Ethereum, USDT in order to purchase this token. Okay, although you can purchase Sponge version 1, simply purchase Sponge version 1, stack it inside the official website. You can see this is the Sponge version 2 dashboard. Although total Sponge is stacked 5.9 billion. So 274% profit. Simply stack your Sponge version in here. So you will get Sponge version 2 for free. It means that at a time you will have two projects like two tokens. One token is Sponge version 1. Another token is Sponge version 2. So this is the benefit to purchase Sponge before exchange listing. Once Sponge version 2 launch inside exchange, so you will not get it for free. That's why I'm telling you. The link is below in the description. It's up to you whether you want to purchase it or not. Because Sponge version 1 gave 100x profit in 2023. Now this is time to Sponge version 2. Because soon they are going to convert Sponge version 1 to Sponge version 2. That's why make sure to stack your token. Although the version 1 the launch price was 0.4 times zeros 25, and now the current price is 0.3 times zeros 723. Overall the price increased 2892%. This is the coin market cap. Inside coin market cap you can see in one day the price dropped 31%. So further market cap is 24 million. Daily volume is 3.2 million. Daily volume increased 350%. This is the daily volume increased 350% in one day. Okay, if you want to purchase it inside exchanges, you can see these are the exchanges where you can buy Sponge version 1. But I recommend you to use the official website because if you purchase Sponge version 1 from the exchanges, so transferring from the exchange to your MetaMask wallet, this is extra transaction. So why to pay the transaction fees? Why not to purchase the token directly from the official website? Simply come to the official website. Although you can click the link below in the description and then make sure you have Ethereum, you have your USDT in order to purchase the token. Okay, one thing as I told you, the gaming of this project is coming soon. So soon we will see the gaming of Sponge. You can say Sponge project, the platform where you can earn Sponge for free. Okay guys, if you love to purchase any project in the presale, although you can check Green Bitcoin, you can check ETuktuk, you can check Bitcoin Mantric, you can check Sponge version 2. This is the project at the presale where you will get 10x to 100x profit. Even if you check the roadmap, inside the roadmap, you will see big things are coming in the future. In the stage 2, we will have Sponge version 2 claim option, Sponge version 2 listing inside bigger and biggest exchanges. So just search about this project. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. So you can see total stacked and breached $4.2 million. So I can say a few amounts remaining until we should say Sponge version 2 launching inside exchanges. You can see. So that's why don't miss this chance. So smash the like button. To any all-time high still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.